The first thing we're going to be going over today is elapsed time. So the definition of elapsed time is the time in between the beginning time and the ending time. So we're going to be having a word problem, and we're going to find out when she's going to get out of dance practice. So things we're going to be looking for in that word problem is the known time, the unknown time, and if the time is AM or PM, because that will reflect in our answer. So now that we have our question, the first thing we're going to do is have a make 60 approach to see what time Molly will get out of dance. So the first thing we're going to start doing is, since it starts at 10:30, we need to make it a make 60 approach, so we have to make it go to 11 o'clock. So I'm going to write 11 o'clock, and this is AM, so that's very important and was one of the things that we had on our list of things to look for. So this is a time elapsed, so this is from start to finish. So right here we're going to write 30 minutes, because that's how long it took from 10:30 to 11 to make the make 60 approach. So the next thing we're going to do is jump another hour, because she's in dance for 2 hours and 45 minutes. This is a 60-minute jump, or 1 hour. 60 minutes, and this will make it 12 o'clock PM. Now the PM is very important because it switches from AM to PM. So now we're going to do another 60 minutes to make it go to 1 o'clock PM. Now we have so far 2 hours and 30 minutes. So right now we know that there's 2 hours and 45 minutes, so we just need to make one final jump of 15 minutes, which will get us to 1:15 PM. So Molly will get out of dance at 1:15 PM if she starts at 10:30 and has a 2 hour and 45 minute practice. So now that we figured out how to make the time make 60 approach using the time column and the elapsed column, we're going to doing it using a timeline. So the question again states, Molly had dance practice for 2 hours and 45 minutes. If she starts at 10:30 AM, what time will she get out? So in order to do this timeline, I've already created the line for us. And since we know that she starts dance at 10:30, we're going to write 10:30 AM right here, because that's what time she starts. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other one, how to make 60 approach, and we're going to make a jump of 30 minutes. To make this right here is going to be 11 o'clock AM. So now we're at this equal hour. So that's what we want to do for the make 60. And we're going to jump another hour. So make a big jump. And this is going to be 1 hour, which is equal to 60 minutes. And that conversion is very important to keep in mind when we're finding the total time. And so this is going to make us be 12 o'clock PM. So again, we need to keep in mind AM to PM right there. And we're going to do another jump of 60 minutes right here for 1 more hour. And that's going to bring us to 1 o'clock PM. Now that we have 2 hours and 30 minutes, we're going to do one more jump of 15 minutes, because her dance practice is 2 hours and 45 minutes. So that's going to bring us to 1:15 PM. So if she starts dance at 10:30 AM, she's going to finish at 1:15 PM if her dance practice is 2 hours and 45 minutes. So those are two different ways we can make 60 approach using the timeline and the two columns.